In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert an image to PDF in Google Drive. So the first step is to simply open Google Drive. So we're gonna have to click on sign in. Then we're gonna have to select my drive. And from here, we're gonna have to click on new. Then simply click on file upload, and then we're gonna have to select our image and then simply click on open. Now, as you can see at the bottom here, the upload is completed. So we're gonna have to scroll down and then simply right click on the image. Then we're gonna have to select open with and then select Google Docs. Now, once we do that, basically a Google Docs file will open up automatically and you should have your image here. So mine isn't loading up because it's a big image, but once you get here and you have your image, what we're gonna have to do next is simply click on file in the top left corner and then simply select download and then select PDF document, and basically that's all we have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.